Shut the f up.
Hey everybody, welcome to another video. We are on another ride out today. It is day one of Flex on PDX. So we're going to the gas station to meet up with my friends here to go ride out to the meetup spot. So there's going to be some highway riding before we get there. So just to know that the dank nooners, as one of you guys has called them, those will begin later. Well, I won't be hitting any nooners today, but a lot of people will. But as I was saying, today should be a big group ride, and then tomorrow should be even bigger, but you guys are going to have to wait for that one. This ride is for nooner riders. And then tomorrow all bikes are welcome. Wow, goes way up there and all the way back there. Alright guys, here we go. Heading out to the meet. We are all grouped up here with my friends. We got two DRZ 400 SMs and a Husqvarna 701 Supermoto. Cruising. It's like nothing for that 701. Three wide. Up the highway. Jeez. Alright guys, here we go, stunt ride. Let's do it. I'm gonna stay towards the back here, let everyone do their thing. There you go. Just pulling out the lot and the police are already here. I'd say we got probably about 50 bikes rolling deep here.
You can vibe with me, vibe with
Just like that, stand-up's going up.
Anything you want and you know I got it. Everything on me, don't reach for your pocket. I know you a good girl, never do you wrong. Living in my own world, busy making songs, thinking about you every day. Wishing that
Oh, jeez, that is a big scrape up there.
I'm not looking for friends, wondering if you really might be the one. You know that you perfect, you shine like the sun. You making me chase it, you know that I run. I'm never gonna stop till I stop having fun. Ayy, you've been acting like a stranger. Said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me, girl. You can vibe with
Crazy.
me, vibe with
Huh?
me, girl. Touch the sky.
Oh yeah.
Fly with me, girl. You too pretty for these other guys. We gon' have some fun tonight. You were gone for a bit, but you back now. I was acting up, but I'm still down. I've been working on myself these
Take a
days.
look up there.
Past, I changed my ways.
Oh yeah, we got
Don't live it, thinking about life. Running for the
pretty
past,
good sized group here, a few blocks.
Nobody's perfect, give me a chance. Listen to drink, all I want is one dance. Play the game, I wanna play it again. And I ain't the same, don't make me say it again. Cause I'm done with the old news. And I know that you're done with your old dudes. Always trying to coach you. You were looking for a light in the dark, girl. Cause you had it all right from the start, girl. I don't know why we still been apart, girl. I've been just fine trying to follow my heart, girl. Ayy, you've been acting like a stranger. Said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me, girl. You can vibe with me, girl. Touch the sky with me, fly with me, girl. You too pretty for these other guys. We gon' have some fun tonight.
I think he looped out. Alright, that's why I don't like to do wheelies in these big group rides, because too much can happen. I'm not the best at wheelies, but even if I was, I still probably wouldn't do very many. Because there's always a chance of looping out, getting in someone's way, and I don't know, just not worth it. By the airport. Got a view of the control tower up ahead. Stand up. Caspers love it.
Shut this down. Guess what? It's three mother numbers: 9, 1, and 1. And guess what?
Shut the up. If you don't want to be about it, then go home. We're trying to have a good time.
Y'all not trying to have a good time.
We don't want to play it. We don't want to play it.
We're not trying to play it.
Now let's drop it. That's all we wanted. We're shutting up.
Right.
All right, we're shutting up. All right.
That's what we asked in the first place. How many respect? Let's go.
Alright guys, so let me explain what happened here. So like I said, we're probably midway through the ride for everybody else. I leave after this, but this ride goes all night. We pull into a turnaround area, kind of like a park, and this guy does a burnout, and some of the leaders of the group confront him about it, and everybody starts yelling at each other. They start arguing. The leaders of the group also confronted the guy who was doing the burnout for doing flybys in close proximity to other riders. One of my friends actually said that he got flown by him. So I haven't met this guy before the ride tonight, and I understand that things were probably a little heated. I'm sure, yes, it's a stunt ride, but yes, the leaders don't want to get kicked out of some of the checkpoints or waypoints as well. But anyways, my whole point in saying this is, after this, the guy who was doing the burnout actually left and went to one of our underground racing places, you can call it, here locally. And unfortunately, he was going at a high rate of speed on his motorcycle, and he hit a pedestrian. I'm not going to put those images into your head, but you can think what happened. Of course, the pedestrian and the rider here passed away, unfortunately. So I just wanted to put this in the video briefly, real quick, to tell you guys that be smart in what you're doing. Don't take life for granted, because obviously you do certain things and it can be over just like that. So RIP Casper. I didn't know you personally, but some of my friends and the local car community and bike community did know you. But let's go ahead and finish off the video. Everybody, new day here. I wasn't able to get an outro that night because it was getting late, but as you can see from some of the footage, this ride out was pretty big, bigger than the MLK ride out we had, which was probably about 100 bikes, and now I'd say that we had well over 100 bikes. So get excited for that. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the action here. We got some big videos coming up. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.